Hey everyone, it's Brock Patterson, National Specialty Vehicle Manager here at Reddick Brown Ford, America's #1 Ford Performance and Specialty Vehicle dealership. Listen, our early bird special is happening now through June 14th, 2024 on the 2024 Shelby Super Snake Mustang. Now this is a great chance for you to get in on our early bird promo. I'm going to tell you how to get that promotion here in just a few minutes. Now, what we're able to do on the Super Snake Mustang this year, we've got a coupe and a convertible option. So you can select your coupe and convertible. You've also got manual or you've got automatic for transmission. You've got exclusive colors for the Super Snake Mustang, and you've got a few stripe choices. Now you can spec out your Super Snake Mustang on the Shelby website. It's a great new updated site to get to see your actual live Super Snake Mustang built on the website shelby.com. Then you can send that order directly to me. Listen, do not miss out. This is your chance. Early bird specials is what happens when we've got new vehicle launches at Reddick Brown Ford. Excited to showcase that. Now, here's how you get in touch with me. 615-397-3331. You can call or text that number, or if you want to message me, you can get in touch with us on any of our social channels at Reddick Brown Ford on our social, or at Brock Patterson. Happy to answer any questions that you've got. Don't miss out. Early bird special now through June 14th, 2024 on this incredible limited production 830 horsepower Shelby Super Snake Mustang.